Hey guys, just look at this charging case, it is very small. Yeah, there are wireless earbuds inside the case. As you understand, today we will have a review of the smallest TWS earbuds Abram Tech E8. Actually, I don't know if they are really the smallest earbuds in the world, but they are definitely the smallest earbuds that I have ever tested. The price of Abram Tech E8 is only $36 on Amazon. I will leave the link in description under the video. So, let's get started. The box of these wireless earbuds is very simple. There is only company logo on the front and a small sticker with model name, battery capacity of earbuds and charging case on the back. Inside the box I found a charging case, USB Type-C charging cable, extra ear tips, and user manual. I should pay great attention to the design of this device because it is main feature. So the charging case is very small. It is only 50 by 35 by 25 mm. For comparison, these are one of the biggest wireless earbuds that I tested. Usually wireless earbuds are this size. As you can see, even in this case, Abram Tech E8 are very smaller. The weight of charging case with earbuds inside is 31 grams. Also, I want to say about pleasant coating of charging case. This is not an ordinary plastic like other earbuds. It is very pleasant to hold in the hand. On the front there are 4 LED lights and USB-C port on the back. Opening the case we can see 2 earbuds. You know, the charging case is really small, but the size of Abram Tech E8 earbuds is about the same as other earbuds. Again, let's compare the biggest earbuds with the smallest ones I tested. As you can see, the earbuds are about the same. On the outside, Abram Tech E8 has silver circle around physical button and LED indicator. On the inside there are 2 charging contacts and removable silicone ear tips. So Abram Tech E8 really has a very small charging case, but earbuds have a standard size. I forgot to tell you that the new earbuds are protected from water by IPX7 standard. They are not afraid of rain and sweat. The connection of Abram Tech E8 is the same as other wireless earbuds. First, you need to take them out of charging case, then open Bluetooth settings on mobile device and choose E8. The earbuds use the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology for connection. As already said, Abram Tech E8 has physical control buttons. Using them, you can pause the music with single press, play the next song with long press for about 2 seconds on the right earbud, and the previous song with a long press on the left earbud. Double press on any earbud activates voice assistant on mobile device. You can also take a phone call with single tap, reject the call and hold it. Unfortunately, Abram Tech E8 doesn't have volume control. As for the sound quality, it is really good. I was very skeptical about sound, because the earbuds are very small and quite affordable. However, they are not worse than the more expensive models. I especially like the bass, it is deep. Also, the vocal is clear. In general, the sound quality is good for budget wireless earbuds for about $40. We can see on the box that single earbud have a battery capacity of 40 mAh. The charging case is equipped with 350 mAh battery. The charging case is very small, so we cannot expect big battery inside. However, the earbuds playtime on a single charge is quite good, 3-4 hours. Using charging case you can get extra 10 hours of playtime. That's very good for tiny case. So the main feature of Abram Tech E8 is small charging case, and I am very impressed by it. But also the earbuds have a water resistance, USB-C charging port, good sound quality with deep bass and decent battery life. I recommend Abram Tech E8 if you don't need a large charging case. If 2 extra charges from charging case is enough for you, then you can buy these earbuds. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.